so another one of the questions I get asked all the time is how should I run my wire out? How should I lay out all my lights? And the nice thing with the LED systems is it's not like the old halogen systems where you had to like run one wire out to the middle of the yard and then you had to create a bunch of spokes and have all your different lights on different runs and different wires. It's a lot simpler than that now because you don't have to worry about voltage drop and all those things as much. So usually what I tell people is the simplest way is the best way. So whatever's going to make your life the easiest. So if that means you're just running one wire out from here and you're just putting all your lights in a continuous sequence around the property, then that's the easiest way to do them. But for example, if you do have to tee off, so say half your lights are on one side and half your lights are on the other side, well then what you want to do is you want to go in and tee off your wire somewhere. And the way we do that, in all our kits you're going to find your BVS2 connectors we talk about all the time, and I show you guys how to wire those in, and you're going to wire those in at each one of your fixtures. But then if you need to go make a tee into the line anywhere, these are the ones that we use. They're called DBRY connections. They're gel filled, they're waterproof, but they're a really solid connection for going and splitting into the wire. So for example, you have your wire that runs out to the field, and then you've got to run a wire out to your lights one way and wire out to your lights the other way. Well, that's where you're going to tee into the wire, and you're going to use this connection here. The reason we use these instead of the BVS2 ones is they're a little bit bigger and they're capable of handling the 3 different strands of the 12-2 wire. So you're going to have 2 of these connections at every one of these tees, and then at every fixture you're going to have your 2 BVS2 connectors. Now a lot of people get confused with, well, why do I need 2 at each one? I just have one light. It's because you have 2 separate wires in your 12-2 wire that goes out from your transformer. There's 2 wires on it, and at every fixture you've got 2 wires also. So you need to make sure that you have one wire that's going to your fixture hooked into your BVS2 connector, and then one wire from your actual lighting fixture that's into that same one. And you're going to have to do that twice because you have 2 wires. So if you look at your system, this is what it should look like. You got your wire running out, you've got your DBRY connections at TM, and then at every fixture you're going to have 2 of these. So a great way to go and lay that out and make sure you're not missing anything is go choose where you want to put your lights, go and place them in the ground, and then go and run your wire to every single light, and go and drop the connectors that you're going to need at each one of those spaces, so that you know exactly what needs to be connected where. But yeah, it's a simple way of running out your wire, and I always tell people whatever's going to make your life the easiest is the way that you want to go.